Hello everyone, this is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your top headband cushion, rubber cushion. And the only tool you need is this nice prying tool, and it's as simple as going to the corner on the side. You use your prying tool right here, pops up, you get this side up, and then you have to go to the other side, same thing, get your tool in there, pop that up, take the old one off, grab the new one. That's how it should look. And for this part, you want to place, you see on the rubber part, these have to go inside, and it's basically a double. So you go one side in, start clipping it. And once you get to around this point, if you clip all these in, this is not going to go in like that. It's going to stay out. So now you want to push that in first and then clip it all in. Make sure there's no gaps anywhere. Nothing sticking up. Give it another squeeze. Nice little feel. And boom. That's how you place your top headband rubber cushion on your Bose NC700s. Tools in the description. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.